Good morning, children. Myself, Deepa, your social science educator. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. How are you all doing, children? Hope all are doing well. Dear children, in your previous class, you have studied environmental studies. Now, in class 6, you are introduced to a new subject, social science. Today in this class, I am going to introduce to you about the subject social science and its branches. So now let us start. First, let us know what is social science. Children, social science is a branch of science that deals with human behavior. Here, human behavior andre ಮಾನವನ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ. It is a major category of academic discipline concerned with society and the relationships among individuals within a society. So children, we all are not living alone, isn't it? We live in a society. Society andre samaja. So we have to live a disciplined and a good relationship life, isn't it? Social science is further divided into many branches like history, civics, geography, economic, sociology, political science, and business studies. For class 6, you will be introducing the 3 branches of social science, that is history, civics, geography. So, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ, ಸಿವಿಕ್ಸ್, ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ. You will be studying in detail history, civics and geography. So, first let us know what is history. The systematic presentation of past event in chronological order. So, chronological antandre eno? Chronology means putting things in the order of time. So, here history introduces the journey of human beings. It tells the failures and success of human in the journey. The accuracy of time, place and person is maintained. Okay? So, where did the word history come? So, history is derived from the Greek word historia. Once again I repeat, historia. Here, historia means enquiry or research. Enquiry andre vicharane, research andre samshodhane. Okay children, history is who we are and why we are the way we are. andre ನಾವು ಯಾರು, ನಾವು ಏಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇರುವ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. It also provides an account of the way society has changed and developed over time. It helps us to define our identity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರು, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. That is who we are, where we come from and how we are connected. It also presents an opportunity to analyze and determine what actually occurred during a particular event and when. Okay, children. Next, look into the picture. He is the Greek scholar Herodotus. He is known as the father of history. He is a Greek scholar. His name is Herodotus. He is known as the father of history. Okay. Now, let us move to the next branch of the social science, that is civics. What is civics? Civics is the study of the rights and duties of citizenship. Civics is the study of how the public decisions are made and issues that are important to the public, the rights and responsibilities of citizen. So children, here it is very important to know about the rights and responsibilities of the citizen. So, why the civic education is important? Children, successful democracy depends upon the active participation of informed citizens. So here, democracy means what? Democracy means it is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. So children, you study in your further classes about the democracy and about our constitution. Okay? So, civic education aims to be inform and empower citizens to fulfill their roles. So, the purpose of civic education is to encourage and to understand the political environment and to actively participate in the democratic processes. This is why civic education is also known as democratic education. So what does this democratic education gives us? Children, it provides us the knowledge. What type of knowledge? The knowledge about our rights and duties. Okay, only when we know our rights and responsibilities, then only we can be a good citizen. Okay, civic education empowers you to change the world around you for the better. Okay, children. Now, let us go on to the next branch of the social science, that is geography. What is geography? A science that deals with the description, distribution and interaction of the diverse physical, biological and cultural features of the Earth's surface. So children, here the physical features of the Earth means you all know, you have studied in your previous classes about the land masses, water bodies, climate, plant life. Isn't it children? So geography is a word that is derived from by the Greek scholar named Eratosthenes. Geo means earth. Graphy means description. Here, description means ವಿವರಣೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಿವರಣೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆ? About our earth. Okay, so geography literally means description of earth. It is a study of earth. So children, do you all remember you have studied about the globe? What is a globe, children? Globe is nothing but a model of the earth, isn't it? Globe is a model of the earth. It gives all the details about the land masses, water bodies on the earth. So not only the globe, also map helps us to study about the earth. So there are different types of maps such as political map, physical map and distribution map. Children, you study about all this in detail in your upcoming classes. So dear children, I hope in today's session you have been understood branches of social science and the meaning of social science. So now look at the picture. So this is the content of your social science for class 6. So here you can see the three branches, that is history, civics, geography. So in each branch you learn the topics such as in history, introduction to history, next art Karnataka, next prehistoric society, next ancient civilizations, next the culture of the Vedic period, next Christianity and Islam, next rise of new religions, and next important dynasties of North India. So these are the topics under the branch history. So next, under the branch civics, you learn citizenship, national symbols on national integration. So under the head geography, you learn about globe and maps, Asia, a land of contrast. Okay, children. So these are the topics covered under social science. So I will be explaining each topic in the next class. So in today's class, I have given you an introduction regarding the subject social science. It's time for home assignment. So children, I have given you some questions so that you think and answer. Okay? The first question is, what is social science? Name the three branches of social science. Next, what is history? What is history? Next, what is civics? Next, what is geography? Okay, children, watch video carefully, understand the content and do home assignment yourself. Children, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.